My dear 10th class students, today we will discuss the logarithm problems. I think I given the first bit homework, exercise 1.5. I given the first bit homework. Now coming to the second bit, second, third, fourth. Today we will discuss only these 3 bits. Okay. So second bit, exercise 1.5. Second bit. What is the second bit? Is there here? First problem here. Log 2 plus log 5. Okay, what is the write the following expressions as log n and find their values are given here. So observe here, what is the formula this is contained? Now it is in the formula of log x plus log y is equal to log x y. This is in the formula. So same whatever they given the problem, it is in the formula of like this. We'll write the log xy. That means a simple log 2 into 5. That means here log 10 completed. Log 10. Next to second problem. Log base to 16 minus log base to 2 is there here. Okay. So here look here. This is what is the formula? Log x minus log y is equal to log x by y. Log x by y. So simple here log base to 16 by 2. 2 ones are 2h. So log base to 8. Log base to 8. Okay na? Again also we can simplification. Then after this also we can simplification the problem. Sir, how we can simplification here? Log, look here, simplification here. Okay na? Log base to this 8 I can write here 2 cube. 8 we can write it 2 cube. The power will come here. So the power will come here. Next to log base to 2. 3 into 1. Answer what here? 3. This is the same. We have, if we finish the here, they can leave it. This is called as a simplification. Okay. Next to fifth one, look here. Okay, third one. 3 log 64 4. That means 3 into here log which is the formula here? M into log base a x. That is the formula what here? Log base a x to power of m. This is the formula to convert this one. Okay na? Next to same like here log 64 4. What is there here? 3. For simplification what we have to do here? Log 64 4 cube means what here? 64. Log 64 here 1. Okay na? Clear? Next fifth one. Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. How we can do the problem this one? Log 10 plus 2 log 3 is there here. Next log 2. First write down the asterisk is here log 10. Next this is the formula is there. 2 log 3 is there. Same the formula. Here also this is the same formula. Okay. How we can write this one? Log 3 square minus log 2. Log 10 plus 3 square means what? Log 9 minus log 2. Okay na? Next here log 10 here. This is the formula log x plus log y is equal to log xy. Only these two. Only these two. We can get what? Log 10 into 9 minus log 2. Okay. Next log 10 9s are 90 minus log 2. So what is the formula here? Log x minus log y is equal to log x by y. That means here log 90 by 2. 2 ones are 245. So total answer what here? Log 45. Once see all the problems. Once check out all the problems. Okay na? Is it clear? Everything is clear now. Write down in the rough note, and after you face the problem. So which are the problems I missed? Only one problem. That is the problem is homework for you. Next third bit. Evaluate. Here x is equal to log base 2 3 and y is equal to log base 2 5. So we will discuss the one problem, that is the fourth one. Remaining are the homework. You have to do the carefully. Log base to 6750. For 6750, you have to do the factorization. 6750. 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 5 is 5 6 is 30, 3 carry, 5 7 is 35, 2 carry, 5 1 is 5 3 is 5 3 is 5 2 is 10. How much? 5 7 is 35. 3 9 is 3 3 is 3 1 is. So whatever they came, now write in the form. Log base to 6750 is equal to 2 into, how many 5 came? 1 2 3, 5 cube. How many 3 powers came? 1 2 3, 3 cube. Okay na? Now we can apply the formula log. I said already this formula. If we have the 3 numbers also, we can write a log x plus log y plus log z. Okay. Now apply the formula. Log base 2. First word here 2 plus log base 2 5 cube plus log base 2 3 cube. Okay na? Using the formulas, we will find out the answer here. This is the first one, the formula log base a1. For second and third, look here, log to the base a x to power of n is equal to n into log to the base a x. So for this one, for this is the value what here? 1. For this one, 3 into log base to 5. Next to 3 into log base to 3. So 1 plus, here look at 3, log base to 5, look here, where is the log base to? This is log base to 5, what is the value here? Y. So 3y plus 3 into log base to 3, what is the value there here? X. Okay, now which one? 3x. This one 3x plus 3y plus 1. This is the problem. So how this x and y came here? Again the doubt. Log base to 5 is equal to y, log base to 3 is equal to x. Okay, now one check out. Is it clear? So third bit you have to do all the remaining of the problem. First log base to 15 there, log 3 into 5. That is the clue I am giving. Log base to 7.5. Sir, how we do this problem 7.5? So it's simple here. Log base to 75 by 10, then apply the x by y formula. You will get, then after do the 75 factorization, 10 is factorization separately. Next, log base to 60, same the factorization. Okay. Sir, how we will do the fourth bit, sir? Fourth bit. Fourth bit, look here. Which one I will say the fourth bit? Third is same like that on x, y, z. Apply the formula. Okay, na? So I will say the fifth one. Log root x cube by y square. Look here. First look here. First write down the log. Do the separately x cube and root y square. Do the separately. Then after here log root x cube means what? X power 3 by 2. Why? Because root x is equal to x to power of 1 by 2. Here nothing there means what here? 2. Same here also. Y to square whole power 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Remaining what here? Log x 3 by 2 by y. Next. Which is the formula? Log x by y. What is the formula? Log x minus log y. Okay, apply this one. Log x to power of 3 by 2 minus log y. Okay, now the apply the same here. Which is the formula apply? We have to apply the third formula here. Look here. So 3 by 2 will come here. 3 by 2 log x minus log y. Okay, this is the problem of fourth bit. And the first one, how to do the first one? Log 1000 is there. Log 1000 we can write what? Log 10 cube. Okay, na? Log 128 by 65. First you do the log x by y, same like this only. Log 128 by log 625. Log 128 minus log 625. Then do the factorization. Third one, same like this one. Do the apply this one. Fourth one, same like this one. First you do the homeworks. If you have doubts, message me or call me. Okay, na? This is the up to fourth bit. The remaining problems are homework. Whatever you have doubts, you can ping me or message me. Okay, today class is completed.